Hello guys, I will help you to understand Material 3 about convergence of technology and services. 1. Dedicated network. Dedicated network is separate and dedicated communication network were designed for carrying different telecommunication services. Number 2 is attempt of service integration. In the late 1970s, the integration of service was initiated by the PSTN, and the dedicated data network produced the Integrated Service Digital Network or ISDN standard in 1988. But ISDN failed to connect telephone network and network data packet network into the public network. And the second attempt is ATM technology or asynchronous transfer mode. But once again, this attempt failed when it was ready to be implemented because at the time the internet was developing into a worldwide platform. Number 3 is service integration over the internet. The success of the internet led to the development of standards by Microsoft in 1995 and Intel in 1996. Until the early 20s, 4G and 5G networks were offered to facilitate the flow of internet usage. The open and global nature of the internet enables a variety of services that use the internet as a communication platform, including web browsing, voice and video communication, messaging, gaming, banking, and information retrieval. From the success of the internet today, there is a weakness behind it, namely data leakage. From this reason, it is important for users to maintain their privacy data by using phone security mode. Number 4 is toward next generation network. We have just seen the fixed line network will soon disappear and be replaced by core high-speed or LIB network and broadband access supporting a mix of concurrent services. This network is then the first network to meet the next generation network or NGN. Hello guys, I will help you to understand Material 4. It's about digital economic ecosystem. The first is ecosystem metaphor. The concept of business ecosystem was first proposed by James F. Moore in the 1993 Harvard Business Review article. The ecosystem metaphor is an important tool for strategic planning in the digital economy. Ecosystem analysis reveals, among other things, the stakeholders that can directly or indirectly affect business performance, the type and strength of interaction with these stakeholders, and possible vulnerabilities and weaknesses with the chosen business model. Ecosystem consists not only of cooperating and competing companies but also of less obvious stakeholders such as consumers and authorities. To estimate a company's performance or simply its survival in the market, public opinion and government regulation must also be considered. The interaction between digital services, information and communication technology, digital service providers, competitors, digital market, consumer, and society at large are the core features that make up the digital economy. This interaction is called the digital economic ecosystem. Number 2 is ecosystem component. The ecosystem component consists of authorities, market, application and content, user equipment, and ICT infrastructure. In a practice, content provider or CP and application service providers or ACP provide application and content such as YouTube. For device provider or DP, of course, it is in charge of providing user equipment. The device in equation are cell phone, laptop, and so on. And lastly, Internet Service Provider or ISP and the Network Provider or NP serve as providers of information and communication technology infrastructure. The layered internet model, in which the internet is divided into 3 parallel planes. Number 1, network. Number 2, user equipment. And number 3, application. The 3 planes correspond to 3 independent business areas. Number 1, network. Number 2, the development, production, and sale of user equipment. And number 3 is the provision of service, information, system management, and remote sensing and control. Number 4 is computer infrastructure and platform as ecosystem component. The most common platform is cloud computing, offering service ranging from pure infrastructure, super to complete software packages, and any combination theory. Number 5 is application and content as ecosystem component. Application users from year to year are increasing. From the result of the overall worldwide survey, we can see that TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram are the top 5 applications with the most users in the world. From this, we can see that application and content have a big impact on the ecosystem. The last is consumers as ecosystem component. Consumers in digital market play an important role in the digital economy, not only as consumers of digital goods, but also as a source of feedback for designers and providers of goods that can be used to improve product. What do you need to remember is that consumers here are not only individuals, but can be companies or organizations. Okay, enough for today. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.